Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. In this one we are going to be discussing reply.io, and it is an amazing best AI sales outreach and lead generation platform. Before we dive in, you can head over to the link in the description to get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards. So currently we are inside the dashboard. Here you can see we have a lot of features and different stuff going on. Like for example, if you want to connect a mailbox, you can do that. You can also import audience and send first emails. So email is a really nice control on this side, so you can have the power of email marketing and stuff like that. You can also see it is now AI powered, so the JSON AI is going to be providing you some assistant that you are going to be needing as an AI. So they have multi-channel demo request, trial to customer. If you are providing software as a service, of course trials are important to get your product out there and have a demo for your customers, potential clients. So it is quite simple and important. You can also manage your outbound cold outreach calls and cold outreaches, so that is an option as well. Make sure to give it a try. So all of these features are available in here that you can try out. And as well, you can see on the top we have different type of contacts that we can add, accounts, marketplace in AI SDR, which is the new feature, and it allows you to use the power of AI for your easy outreach and lead generation services. So it is really awesome. Make sure to try this platform, reply.io. You can simply head over to the link in the description to get an access, and that will get you exclusive benefits and extended free trial. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and see you in the next video.